factors, that is a minus 6 and as well as a minus 3. But so here so a square minus 9a plus 18 equals to, so a square minus 9a plus 18. So in this manner I say here a square minus 9a plus 18 equals to a minus 6 and a minus 3. So here, but our according to our assumption, but we assumed, so a as, so a equals to 2x square plus x. So now we are going to replace, but a equals to 2x square plus x. So now we are going to replace a by means of 2x square plus x. So here then that implies a value is of 2x square plus x whole square minus 9 into a, 9 into a value is nothing but 2x square plus x. So here a is equals to 2x square plus x is our assumption. This is according to assumption which we have made in the beginning. So again we are replacing the a values of the given one, of the expression which we got here. So here 9 into a, 9 into a value is of 2x square plus x, then now plus 18 is equals to a is of 2x square plus x minus 6 into a value is of again 2x square plus x minus 3. In the beginning we assumed 2x square plus x as a, then now but we got, I say here, x square minus 9a plus 18 factors as one as a minus 6, the other as a minus 3. So we wrote a square minus 9a plus 18 as a minus 6 and a minus 3. So but according to our assumption which we made, so here 2x square plus x we assumed it as a, then now we are going to replace again. So here 2x square plus x in the place of a. So a as 2x square plus x but whole squared minus 9 into a value as 2x square plus x plus 18 written as it is equals to a replaced by 2x square plus x but minus 6 into a value replaced by 2x square plus x minus 3 as it is. So we have to find out the factors of this left side. So here that equals to, so I want to find out the factors of 2x square plus x minus 6 separately and 2x square plus x minus 3 separately. So I want to assume the, so 2x square plus x minus 6 as the case 1, then now 2x square plus x minus 3 as the case 2. In our case number 1, so we have to find out the factors of 2x square plus 1x minus 6, whereas in the case 2, so here 2x square plus 1x minus 3. So we are going to find out the factors by means of the cross method here. So here 2x square can be written as 2 1s is of 2, x square can be written as x into x. So to split this 6 I say here, so we have to write the factors as 2 into 3. So here I want to write as a 3 into 2. So here 3 2s is of 6. Then now, then that is equals to, by cross multiplying, 3 into 1x is of 3x, 3 1s is of 3 into x is of 3x. Then now 2 into 2 is of 4x. So that is 2x into 2 is of 4x. Then now I want to get the middle term. So by either by adding these two or by subtracting. So coefficient is of 1. I need plus 1x. In order to get plus, so greater one sign must be of plus I say first of all. Then now I have to assess the sign here. If I take here plus, then now plus of plus will be plus. We have to add up, 4 plus 3 will be 7, which is not the middle term. So it must be of negative sign. Then now plus of minus will be negative. So we have to subtract 4 minus 3 is of 1. Then now 1x. Then now 4 is greater than 3. So your sign assessed will be of 4 is of positive sign. Sign assessed will be of positive sign. We got plus 1x as the middle term. So here 4 must be assessed as positive and 3 must be assessed as negative. 3 must be assessed as negative here. 4. 2 2s is of 4 must be assessed as positive. Similarly, let us find the factors of these two. 2x square minus, so this is of plus 1x minus 3. So here then now here 2 1s is of 2, x square can be written as x into x. So here 3 can be split, the factors of 3 are, so here 3 1s is of 3. So here now by cross multiplying 2x 1s is of 2x, then now 3 into 1x, 3 1s is of 3 is of 3x. So to assess the sign here we need plus 1x in the middle. So greater one is of among these two, so greater one is of 3x. So we have to attach the plus sign in the beginning. So here then later I say we have to assess the sign for the 2x. In order to assess the sign here, if I take it as positive sign, plus of plus will be positive, then now 3 plus 2 will be of 5, which is not the middle term. So here it must be of negative sign, so that plus of minus will be of minus. Let us subtract 3 minus 2 is of 1x. Then among these two, so here 3 and 2, 3 is greater, whose sign is of positive. So here we will get as a positive sign. So here 3 must be assessed as positive. Then now here 2x 1 is of 2x, that must be assessed as negative. Then now we are writing the factors. So here 2x minus 3 will be the first factor, and 1x, that is x plus 2, will be the next factor for 2x square plus 1x minus 6. And similarly here, to write the factors of 2x square plus 1x minus 3, first factor will be of 2x plus 3 in the horizontal manner. The second factor will be of 1x, that is x minus 1 will be the other factor. So in this manner, the factors 2x square plus 1x minus 6, so here 2x square minus 2x square plus 1x minus 6 equals 2. The factors are, for 2x square plus 1x minus 6, the factors are 2x minus 3, one is of 2x minus 3, the other is of 1x plus 2, that is x plus 2. Then similarly, factors of 2x square plus 1x minus 3. So factors of 2x square plus 1x minus 3 can be written as, so the factors are of, first factor is of 2x plus 3, then the next factor is of x minus 1, 1x minus 1, that is x minus 1. So here the factors are of 2x plus 3 is the first factor, then the next one is of x minus 1. So in this manner, so we can write it as 2x square plus x whole square, 2x plus x whole square, minus, as per the problem, minus 9 into 2x square plus x, then plus 18 is equals to 2x square plus x minus 6. So here 2x square plus x minus 6 is the first factor, and the second factor is of 2x square plus x minus 3. So according to the first factor, so 2x square plus x minus 6 factors are of 2x minus 3. Instead 2x square plus x minus 6, we can write it as 2x minus 3 into x plus 2. Then the next factor is of, so here its next factor is of 2x square plus x minus 3. So here 2x square plus x minus 3 can be written as, so here 2x plus 3 into x minus 1. So in this manner, so here 2x square whole square, so 2 2's is of 4, so it is of 4th degree expression. Therefore we will be getting 4 factors. Those were, one is 2x minus 3, the second is of x plus 2, third factor is of 2x plus 3, fourth factor is x minus 1. Hence two x minus 3, x plus 2, 2x plus 3 and x minus 1 are the factors of 2x square plus x whole square minus 9 into 2x square plus x plus 18.